You ever find yourself in a situation where you need a winch but there's no battery in sight? Well, with the Superwinch AC1500 utility winch, that's not a problem. This thing is equipped with a powerful 1.1 horsepower, 120 volt AC permanent magnet motor. Now that might sound like a mouthful, because it is, but what it means for you is more pulling power. When you need that extra muscle, this winch can handle it. The AC1500 features a free spool pull and turn clutch handle. It makes your life easier when you need to deploy the wire rope quickly. And speaking of the rope, you get a whopping 35 feet of 0.15 inch diameter wire rope. That's some serious length to tackle a variety of jobs. And you don't have to be right next to the winch to operate it. With the included 12-foot remote, you can easily operate the AC1500 from a safe distance. The AC1500 is rated for an incredible 1,500 pounds. That's some serious pulling power. Whether you're dealing with heavy equipment or just need some serious muscle for your projects, this winch can handle it all. And it's not just powerful, it's built tough. The AC1500 comes in a durable gray powder coat finish that can take a beating. It's the kind of winch that can handle whatever you throw at it. With its powerful motor, convenient features, and rugged design, it's a must-have for any workshop or garage. If you want to know more about the Superwinch AC1500 utility winch or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.